Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this portable power station that this brand sent to me for this video. It is a big power bank more than a power station because this one is powerful, but not like that powerful. You know, it's going to be like really portable. It's going to be really good for like camping or hiking or fishing or going to the beach and just making sure that you have power for your devices or your friends and family devices and things like that, but also for some small appliances as well, like a laptop. You can actually do, it's not an appliance, but you can charge a laptop with this one because it is. So it gives you 199.9 watt hours, and also this one, it is 110 volts, meaning that you can use this one for your laptop, for example, and it's rated at 80 watts but peaks 120 watts. So I gotta say that this one, it is pretty compact, but also reliable, convenient, and good to have for on-the-go situations. Also, super important, right here it comes with a USB-C cable. You don't have to have any cables with you. It comes with that so you can charge your devices at all times. Let's take a closer look of this tiny but mighty power station. Okay, check it out. First thing first, you gotta have right here a button. Like this button is also gonna tell you how much battery you have left and things like that with that digital display. And then check this out. I'm gonna just put my phone over there, and you can see that this one charging right away without any issues, and it also has fast charge capabilities. You also have this one right here for, as I was telling you before, like small appliances, or for example, you can do this one for your laptop, and you also can do the USB-C for your laptop as well if that's allowed for your laptop. And then you're gonna find the two USB-A, the in and out right here. You're gonna find this one for USB-C, and also you have a DC output as well. I gotta say that this one, it is tiny but mighty, and also for on-the-go situations, really convenient to have.